Girl, did you see her skin? I heard it was glowing. Okay, look, this is the only video that you need, okay? For your clear skin, you know what I'm saying? Like, we don't need no acne. We don't need no marks on our face, ladies. We got to be beautiful. But stay tuned and tune into this video. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is we want to wet our face. Okay. I'm going to take my Cetaphil skin cleanser. I got the face and body for all skin types. So if you have oily, dry skin, you can still use this. So we're going to take a few pumps and put it on our face. And while you're putting it on there, you want to kind of massage it into your skin. And let it sit for about a minute, and then we're going to rinse it off with lukewarm water. One minute. Okay, so now that that is off, I'm going to take some paper towel and I'm going to gently dry my face. I don't use a towel because you don't want any bacteria to transfer to your skin. Okay, and more about this. So you can find this at Walmart. I think it was like $7, but yeah, it's really cheap. It does help with acne, and it removes all the dirt and oils from your face. And it's gentle, so you can use it every day. Okay, now we're gonna get into my nighttime routine. Okay, so for my nighttime routine, we're gonna be using this, the St. Ives Fresh Skin Apricot Scrub. So that exfoliates your skin, takes away any impurities, and gives you a glow. So let's get into that. You're gonna wet your face first and then apply this, okay? And you wanna also massage this into your skin. Now you can do this right before bed. And if you do wear makeup, I would advise you to remove all your makeup first. And you can use the vitamin C cleansing cloths. I got these from Ross for like $3.99, and you get 60 of them. So that's pretty good. So just massage it to your skin. Okay, then we're also gonna clear this off with some lukewarm water. So I'll clean it off and then I'll be right back. Okay, so we're done with the scrub. So only use this before bed because it exfoliates your skin. And you want to be careful with this because it can give you like some dry skin patches. So you want to make sure that you moisturize before you go to sleep. Okay, so to moisturize my face and to take away any dark spots, because I used to have really bad hyperpigmentation. So this is the Pond's the Pond's Clarant B3. Let me focus it in a little bit. Okay, my camera doesn't want to act right. But anywho, let's see. So it's the Clarant B3 Pond's. And I got the travel size for like $1 at Walmart or Target. So just put this on your face. And it eliminates any dark spots you might have. And it also moisturizes your skin. Okay, so let's rub this in. You don't really need this much. I just use a lot because I like for my skin to be moisturized. And I do rub down to my neck as well. Okay, and my skin usually gets a little red after exfoliating, but that goes away, so. Okay, so my skin has came a long way. I used to have really bad acne, really bad marks, like all right here and right here. Okay, so go and get this. Go and get this. And go and get this, okay? Okay, so thank y'all for watching. If you have any questions, just comment below and don't forget to subscribe. And do this routine for like 30 days, night and day, and your skin will clear up.